Good morning, friends. Today is 16th of February, and I'm Shuchirunta presenting you the morning market update. The Nifty gained 86 points yesterday to close above the budget candle high and the 18,000 mark at the 18,015. IT and auto sectors were the top gainers. The market breadth and the advanced decline was in the favor of bulls. Technically speaking, on the daily charts, well, the market was eyeing the budget candle high and the 18K mark for the bullish confirmation. It traded in the budget range for 15 days to close above it yesterday. The prices have closed above the short term moving averages and the RSI moves to 63 levels. Well, at the face of it, we would like to believe that yes, the bulls are gaining strength. I would like to highlight that the anchored VWAP level stands at the 18,060 level when we calculate it from the December highs. So, as a swing trader, one can look out to go longs above this 18,060 as markets can then test 18,200 to 250 zone again. 17,750 to 800 acts as the short term support base in the market now. The weekly and the medium term setup turns bullish above a weekly close of 18,200 to 250 zone where the previous multiple swing highs remain. Interesting fact on the option chain that yesterday's price action resulted in significant put writing at 18,000, 17,900 and 17,800 strike prices. But call unwinding at the 18,000 was not seen. Hence, as today is the weekly expiry, long above 1860 will give that additional confirmation. Coming to the Bank Nifty being one of the top contributors in the overall market, it still underperforms Nifty and is stuck in the 41,200 to 41,800 range. 42,000 is the budget high. These levels could be kept on a close watch radar. On other sectors, IT sector and stocks continue to look strong. Auto index has bounced back from support and looks strong along with capital goods sector. US indices were positive and continue with its strength. SGX Nifty is at 18,071 currently. Levels for the day, Nifty support will be seen at 17,800 and 17,720. Resistance 18,060 and 18,200. For Bank Nifty, support will be seen at 41,235 and 4650. Resistance 41,800 and 42,000. Thank you.